Forward, forward, reverse. Now I'll switch the other motor. Switch it back on. I get a few shutters. That's about it. That's the first time it's even shuttered. See the shaft wanting to move. And I move.